Welcome to this video on classification models. In this video, we'll learn how classification works and how these models are used in practice. Imagine plotting emails on a graph. One axis counts exclamation marks. The other counts links. Spam emails cluster in one corner. Legitimate emails cluster in another. A classification model finds the boundary that separates them. That boundary is called the decision boundary, and the entire game is finding the best one. Different algorithms draw different boundaries. Logistic regression draws a straight line. A decision tree carves out staircase-shaped blocks. An SCVM draws the straightest line possible but with the widest buffer zone on each side. And a neural network can draw a smooth, freeform curve. Same data. Four very different approaches. Every classification model, from logistic regression to neural networks, follows the same loop. Predict, measure the error, and adjust. Building one from scratch strips away the abstraction and shows you exactly how the math drives every decision. Try it yourself. Pick a dataset, write the sigmoid, code gradient descent, and watch your model learn. With that, we've covered the essentials of classification models. In the next video, we'll move on to the third major model type, forecasting models.